Veterinary cordially welcomes you to the event Veterinary Hospital here at Upper Shillong. We are extremely privileged Conrad K Sangma, who will grace this occasion.
I have to thank the Chief Minister. The same day, in one day.
Constructing a building, but about creating an institution that can serve the state. Clinicians and students can gain practical exposure and advanced clinical experience. In this way, it's a project of great importance for Meghalaya. It will strengthen hence the overall veterinary service system in the state. I am confident that
acres of land from here. So total 129. 129. So only 16 acres.
Very nice. Congratulations. Meghalaya's growth trajectory forward. I now invite our chief guest, Shri Conrad.
Veterinary department requires a solid ecosystem. And this ecosystem needs to be connected by having different investments everywhere. It's not about the money as much as it is about creating a systematic way of working. And I think for too long, I've seen veterinary department work only on schemes. So you're figuring out what scheme to implement. You're figuring out whether you have done the vaccination. You're figuring out whether you have distributed the piglets or not. Not really focusing on the larger purpose and goal of seeing how livelihood can be created and how the demand and supply difference can be minimized by focusing on animal husbandry and veterinary and creating a right ecosystem to achieve these goals. And I think we are not on that track right now. So that's really the larger message that I have for you. We need to sit down and ensure that we create that ecosystem now. And we need to start thinking beyond our boundaries. You know, sometimes I listened to this. My message to you today is that even if each one of you, I'm talking about all the officers here, can pick up something and say, well, you know what, I'm going to solve this problem. And I'm going to do it. I'm not going to wait for secretary or my director or my principal secretary or my chief minister or my veterinary minister to figure out. I'm going to do it. And I'm going to solve this problem because I've seen this problem for so long and I'm waiting for the system to respond. The system is not responding, so I'm going to respond.